So hi guys, today is something new, right? So as you guys can see, I already have my slick bun. So I am going to attach this piece to my hair. So what I did, I bought 2 pack of Cuban twist hair. It's super light. It's 24 inches, right? I have this pack. I have this pack already, right? This is 1 pack by itself, and I take few pieces from the other pack, so I'm going to add them together. Because I want it to be very full. All right, so what am I going to do? I just add the pieces to that. Sure, it's full in the middle, right? I love you too, baby. You see, it's full. I love you too, baby. That's mine. He's telling me I love you. Auntie is very busy right now. Okay? I'm not done yet, right? So I have my hairpins because I wanted to. I love when my hair. Not a lot, guys. Just a little bit, so you can get tap it in and okay. I'm doing something now. Hopefully it stay. That finger. Oh. Here, let it sit there for like until I'm ready to go. Okay, so yes guys, and you guys see the result.